What up, YouTube? So, I'm going to do a vlog today on the 12 volt power adapter. It'll be a two-part video. So, anyhow, with that in mind, I'll walk over here and bear with me because I don't have a GoPro. This is just done on my phone. So, anyhow, here is the kit. It's the 12 volt power adapter. Just your standard cigarette lighter style thing. And then I have the USB charger adapter, which will go into there, you know. So, with that in mind, it does have a bracket for like your handlebar style thing, but as people know, this is, you know, CBR 600 f4i. There's no room for that on either side. So I'm gonna just mount it down in here somewhere with like zip ties, I'm assuming. But I just thought I'd do a video, you know, it gives other people ideas and stuff. YouTube's done that for me, so thought I would do it back, you know. Zip tie it, run the wire through here down to where my battery tender thing is, power supply over here. So like I said, it'll be a two-part video, so when I get it all like said and done, then I will, you know, upload the second one and then go over that with you guys. Oh man, I just washed the bike. It looks so nice. Damn, so sexy. So anyhow, if you have any comments, you know, put them down, like and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think. Alright, late.